Hello everybody and welcome, and I'm Ray Moore, and I'm here to present to you my beginner to pro guitar lessons class number 2. I'm adding on a few more lessons onto that class. One of them will be the C major scale speed exercise. So it's a speed exercise based on the C major scale 2 octaves. And the second part of the lesson will be regarding hammer and pull-offs. So for those of you who need exercises regarding these two things, one for speed and one for the slurs, just subscribe below. There's a link below that'll bring you to Skillshare. If you're not already a Skillshare member, you'll receive 2 months of free membership on Skillshare. Afterwards, you'll have to start paying. It's about $16 Canadian dollars a month. So roughly that's what you'll be paying after 2 months, but you have the choice of not to continue or not. But with that link down below, you'll be able to follow any class on Skillshare. So any premium class. So not just my classes, but any premium class. I have other lessons there also, other than the beginner to pro guitar lessons, which is from beginner to pro, obviously. We have another class on the 12 major pentatonic scales across the fretboard. So you're covering 12 keys across the fretboard. I have other classes, single classes of blues scale classes. There's theory, construction, chord constructions on the major scale, on the minor harmonic scale, or the jazz melodic minor scales. There's some songs to learn also. So for those of you who want to learn how to play the guitar but don't have time to go to a professional teacher and take lessons, this is a great way to follow lessons and not spend very much. Remember, you have, with the link down below, you have 2 months of free membership to follow any premium class. You don't, like I said, afterwards you don't have to continue if you don't want to, but you can. You just once you've signed up, you just continue with the subscription. Okay, so we'll see you on Skillshare. Remember, this is class beginner to pro guitar lessons class number 2, regarding the speed scale and the hammer and pull off exercises. If you need from the beginning, there's also my beginner to pro class number 1. So you'll see that once you click on the link, you'll go to my page and you can start off with any class you want. Okay, so we'll see you there. Take care.